Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to use mobile data in airplane mode. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily use your mobile data in airplane mode. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just scroll down and then turn on your mobile data and then turn on your airplane mode. Now once you have turned on your airplane mode over here, just open your dialer. So just open your dialer over here. Now once you open your dialer, just dial *46 36 ###. Now immediately you dial this code on your dialer, it's gonna take you to this place where you can see testing and you can see phone information, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Just click on the first option which says phone information, and once you click on that you can see mobile radio power over here. Just turn on this option over here, activate this option, and you can see update. Just click on refresh over here to refresh everything. So just click on refresh, and now once you are done, everything is done. So now just go ahead, you can see I'm in airplane mode, so just go ahead and then open your YouTube. You can see my YouTube is working even though I'm in airplane mode. Just open your Facebook too. Now you can see my Facebook is working even though I'm in airplane mode. Now with this you can use your mobile data in airplane mode. I hope this video is very helpful. If it is not working on your phone, just restart or reboot your phone and try again, because it really works. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video